Good day everyone. So here I've got a wall mounting hook from IKEA called Stugvik. So this one comes in a pack of 2 hooks and this is made in Taiwan. Okay, so let's take them out from the box. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So it's got a rubber seal on the back, and this thing is rotatable. So as you can imagine, as you rotate, this will suck the air out and probably attach on the wall. So I'm gonna try putting this on the wall inside my shower. So okay. Okay, can't turn it anymore. So, and wow, that's strong. And yeah, that hook will stay there.